Here you are at number 6. This is the last one in this section. And again, we're going to determine what kind of sequence is it. Well, the problem has told us that there's a common difference. It told us the first term and that there's a common difference. That's what that D means. And so that tells us right away that it's arithmetic. Arithmetic is a sequence with a common difference or a constant addition going on between terms. And so if we wanted to write out the next 3 terms, then from negative 23 we would just add 4 and get to negative 19. Then we would add 4 again and get to negative 15, add 4, negative 11. And the sequence continues. So there's the next 3 terms. Now we want to find term number 36. So we would have to add 4 a lot more times to get to term 36. And we don't want to do that. We would rather just have an equation or a formula that is going to tell us how to find term 36. So what we can do is we said that any term is just equal to, for arithmetic sequences, the common difference times n plus a sub 0. And a sub 0 would be found right here if it existed. Okay, this is term 1. We're kind of trying to go backwards and say what would have been the term before that. And we talked about, I think in the first video, that that's because if this were modeled as a function, then we would be looking at numbers that kind of go like this. And we're trying to find what would be in an equation y equals mx plus b, we're trying to find the y-intercept, that b term. And that's what we're going to plug in for a sub 0. Okay? So instead of adding 4 going forwards, we're going to take away 4, and that would make us a negative 27. So any term is equal to the common difference, 4 times n. So n is the term number. That's also how many common differences we need to do to get to that term. So if I want to get to term 1 from negative 27, I have to add 4 just one time. If I want to get there to negative 19, I have to add 4 twice. Okay? So that's what our explicit formula is showing and is doing for us. All right, so let's plug in a 36. 4 times 36, that's our n, minus 27. Four times 36 minus 27. Okay. And that's 117.